Presentation personal. My name is Grabando. I'm from Miranda, Cauca. I live in the city of Cali. I am 34 years. I study Business Administration. My favorite is food pasta. Celebration. The name of my celebration is the book fire because it helps generate and encourage reading for our society. It is a fire that takes place with outdoors of book to encourage reading. It takes place on the boulevard of the river. Takes place in the month of October. It is very good for our people from children to adults. Fine, thank you.